top 6 best portable washing machines. However, when it's time to choose the right portable washing machines, there are many things to consider, and finding the right one for you can be quite a challenge. Well, no worries. In this video, we will present you the top 6 best portable washing machines on the market today, so if you're interested in what portable washing machines will work best for you, stay tuned. Number 1. Best overall. Black + Decker Small Portable Washer. Number 2. Runner-up. Comfy Washing Machine. Number 3. Best budget. Super Deal Portable Compact Washing Machine 9.9 lb Mini. Number 4. Cuppet Compact Twin Tub Portable Mini Washing Machine. Number 5. Lavario Manual Portable Clothes Washer.
Portable clothes washer in the world. We wanted it to be non-electric and hand-powered so it could be used anywhere. And we wanted it made in the USA. We wanted a simple machine which could do small loads, but not just socks and underwear, jeans and sweatshirts too. We tested all the popular portable washers sold online, all in the $60 to $100 range, and we were surprised by what we found. None of them could properly wash even light articles like socks and underwear. There were hand-powered models that worked like a salad spinner. Clever, but the function was poor. There were barrels which sloshed your clothes around, and there were small electric models that sprayed water. Then we studied full-sized washers. Top loaders have agitators which beat on your clothes, and front loaders reverse rotation, so clothes simply slap against each other. New thinking was definitely needed. Then the light bulb went on. I remembered washing my jeans on a sailboat. I attached a rope to my jeans and dragged them behind the boat. They came out astonishingly clean. So our breakthrough was to drive a continuous flow of water through the fabric, just like on the sailboat. We took the piston and cylinder approach. The piston was the basket containing the clothes, and the cylinder was the bucket holding the water. The up and down motion generates a continuous flow of water which blasts dirt out of your clothes. We were awarded our patent in September of 2017. Lavario was meticulously engineered for durability and performance. We are just immensely proud of our washer. Yes, we are.
Number 6. Super Deal Portable Compact Mini Twin Tub Washing Machine. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.